So because of the small injury where Martinez and Varane get, you use the opportunity take Maguire us comot Europa League, abi?
Coachy, my name no be verb.
Coach,
my back.
Oxford Dictionary. You say the meaning na to play nonsense.
But coachy, na mistake now.
Which kind calculated and perfectly executed mistake be that one? Mistake for first leg, mistake for second leg, then born mistake. On you the game, you decide to assist am this time around, abi?
Coach, I no assist am o. Na him dey make me look like say I no sabi catch ball again.
Dige, so now wetin dey tell coachy be this?
Why I no go tell am truth?
Me, your captain, instead of you to get my back.
Which kind dirty captain you be, sef? You don make Spain drop me as your first choice keeper. Come carry that Arinza Balaga wey be basket, chook for post. You know say I start dey catch better balls since when you dey bench.
No worry, I go catch you if you comot for here.
Come on, shut up! 2 of una go pick this spin until further notice. Nonsense!
1xbet don carry new promo come again o. This one na Bonjour de Paris. Sorry, wetin you dey do for here?
I just wan hear wetin you da talk to make sure say that talk the correct thing.
If you wan come talk am, better come talk am because if you chook mouth for wetin I dey talk, I go stone you this shoe o.
This guy told a verse. Abeg talk your thing, Joe.
No talk say I no warn you o. As I dey talk, just go register for 1xbet with our promo code GNEXT. Then go for Bonjour de Paris promo page, press take part. Just bet on top any PSG game with at least 2010 naira to take collect tickets. Prizes wey you go fit win na Samsung QLED 55 inches TV, Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, PS5 and even HP Omen Gaming PC. But read their terms and conditions for the promo and no forget to bet with sense. Thank you.
For that Omen PC, no tell them whether na good or bad Omen.
Your father left.
Ayo!
Gunners!
Hey!
Gunners!
Hey!
Say Gunners!
Hey!
You get anybody will get idea why I calling her out today for here? Yes, Jesus.
We draw 3 games straight. Now he make you carry us come out for here to condemn us to firing squad.
Now true say una draw 3 games in a row. And where e bad pass now say the 3 clubs where una draw against no get bearing for EPL currently. But no be the reason why I calling her come outside today. Firing squad go be another day. Today, the future of Premier League dey on top una shoulders. Guardiola and him boys won't turn EPL to Farmers League, where una children and children's children go to labor in vain inside farm when they finish. Now I get question for una. Abi una go dey here with una complete 2 legs, allow this kind generational abomination happen to EPL?
No! Never!
Abi una go gree for the legacy of EPL, the greatest league in the world, to end up inside farm?
No!
Abi una go gree make una children's children remember una as Gunners wey their bullets finish when them supposed take back the dignity of EPL?
No! The devil is a liar!
Now, days go come when Man City go trash us like small children. But no be tomorrow!
Yes!
Days go come when them go use their oil money, knock Apoko wey fit reach 5, 6, even 7 knots. But no be tomorrow!
Yes!
Days go come when we go back for 1 goal, we no go see. But no be tomorrow!
Yes!
Tomorrow, we go show them say, bullet and gunpowder still plenty for us now, yafo!
Yes!
Tomorrow go be the day where the whole EPL go hail us as the gallant men wey change the destiny of Premier League, come out from Farmers League. Saka,
Sir?
I want make that Aki turn to Aki and Popo after you whine your waist finish.
Okay, sir.
Jesus!
Sir?
Dribble that central defender so the Akanji go turn to Akamo.
Yes, sir.
Coachy, what of that Haaland? That guy in a trailer where they jam everything come out for road, go to call goal.
Just strangle the driver, De Bruyne. You go say the trailer go get accident.
Okay, sir.
Oh yeah, make we go show them tomorrow. Say now we be gonna!
Yeah!